Alright guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix a roll in a Koyo machine. This is going to be simple. Alright, so without much ado, this is the inside of the Koyo machine. Yeah, you can see everything is intact. Right, and this is our roll. This is how it looks like, the rubber that gives us our pure water. Right, so now I'm pulling this. You will fix it here. So I'm pulling this. It's not coming out. So there is a bolt here. You will loosen it. You have to loosen the bolt so that you can push this forward. Then bingo, there we go. Then you do it this way so that in order that this rubber can also climb back here. Alright guys, so after inserting the roll in this metal, then you have to lock it. You have to lock it with this. So this is what you will do. You make sure that it is aligned, and then you check here. Make sure that it is intact, and then you tighten it. And then that's good. And you tighten it, yeah. And then you support the tightening with a screw so that it won't remove. As you can see, so simple. You tighten it so hard. So after tightening it, then you roll it here, and you have to, after tightening it, you have to tighten this bolt too as well. Then you make sure your rubber comes up on this thing. Then there is a hole here. You just insert the rubber in that hole. I'm sorry, maybe the camera cannot go there, but we will cut it up in the front of the machine. Alright, so after this, then we go to then we come here and we take it out from here. Can you please bring the camera closer so that you will see where this rubber will pass? The rubber must pass under, there is another metal here. The rubber must pass under this metal so that the rolling will be flexible. Then you make sure it enters here. Then you pull. You pull. And you pull it down. Make sure it comes down ready and get it, yeah, like this. Alright, so then you try to close it. Let it be on this thing, on top of this thing. Make sure it's intact. There's a tiny bolt here, you use it to lock it, and then we are set. And then you pull it down. You have to also pull this thing so that the roll can pass through it easily. Guys, this is no big deal, it's simple. Like this, make sure it is well arranged. then you can release it to tighten it. Yeah, so this is how to fix a roll. So simple. So when you start your machine, it will start sealing, and then you release your blocker for the water to pass through it, and you're good to go. Alright, so this is all I have for you for today. Subscribe to my channel, like and share. If you have any question, leave it in the comment section and become part of this family. See you in my next video.